Meet Jane and Dan. They are not very happy. They purchased a home with unknown mold issues and they got sick.
We didn't know what was happening. There were no signs of issues on our home inspection. Once we moved in, within months we both started not feeling so well. It was horrible.
I thought we were both going crazy. He had headaches and dizzy spells and I developed breathing problems and sinus issues. Even the doctors were confused.
After almost a year of going to multiple doctors, we had some luck. One of the physicians we saw had an idea.
The physician asked if there were times during the year that we felt better. We both answered at the same time. On vacation. He then asked the right question.
Have you ever had the indoor air quality of your home checked?
I answered no. The physician stated that the symptoms we were experiencing were consistent with exposure to microbial contamination. He asked if our home had a mold problem.
Jane and Dan both had the same thoughts. They were sick since they moved into the home. They felt better when on vacation. It had to be something in the home making them sick.
We left the doctor's office, started searching the web, and found Mold-Aid, a certified indoor environmental company. We scheduled an appointment with one of their professionals.
Mold-Aid inspected our home. They did moisture testing, relative humidity check, thermal imaging, swab samples, air samples, as well as a full inspection of the property.
A laboratory result was delivered to us within a few days. The conclusion was there was an indoor air quality problem in the home. Mold levels were extremely elevated.
Mold-Aid provided a certified remediation of the home. It turns out the previous owners had painted over the mold after a basement flood, and that was the cause of the mold problem.
The story of Jane and Dan is a very common story in the Virginia, Maryland and DC area. Call Mold-Aid, home inspection, mold inspection, mold removal services. 877-932-7177